Open the door by the way. Tell you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That had a two for your nana. Curving your hip from your mammy. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Taco be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body, your music. How about the big one? You ready?
Yes.
Te amo.
What's up, guys? It's Paradise and my hubby and D-boys.
D-boys.
We're here. We're gonna go camping. Hubby just got a rooftop tent, and we're gonna check that out, see how that goes. It's supposed to be snowing about 20 degrees, maybe 18 at night. So it's gonna be pretty cold, but we came prepared and brought lots of blankets, and it should be very fun. So let's go. Get it. Hey guys, we're here now in Cloudcraft, and we're gonna hit downtown and go to this super cool store called, what is it called? High Altitude. Get it? This is the hubby.
That's me.
We're here. It's pretty chill. The weather's beautiful. And this is gonna be the first time we do a overland rooftop tent camping trip with snow. So I'm so excited. Get it. Bye.
Go ahead.
Chip.
Do you have outside patio seating or
We'll sit on the bar.
okay,
Is
sure.
that cool?
Anything, like Kelly will help you out.
Thank you. We'll sit here. Ooh. Bakery smells good.
It smells bomb.
I like that shirt.
We made it, alive and well. Boom. Now we're just gonna set up the tent, set up site. We got a little fire pit going on. Dogs are happy as can be. Beautiful view, beautiful weather. Totally worth it. Well, let's get to it.
There we go. Woo. I don't want you to get burned.
What up, guys? We're here camping it out. This is some limoncillo. For those of you who don't know, it's 3/4 water, a whole bottle of rum, and some Crystal Light. It's pretty good. Growing up, we used to make it all the time for the beach or like hanging out. It's like a punch kind of deal. Not too strong, it's just perfect. It's dinner time for the boys. We already had our chili dogs. Fire stoked. Seats chilling. Hubby cleaning up. This is the setup. This is the boys' tent right here. This is the kitchen. The husband. This is right here the living room.
That's the garage.
The garage. Some wood for later. The water, very important. Let me show you the toilet. This was so dope. I got it at Walmart. Check it out. So you just prop it open and pop a squat, and it goes to the green, and then you bury it. Obviously, like most of you will be say like, so why don't you just squat? Well, sometimes in the morning with your coffee, you just want to sit. You know what I mean? So there you go. Now here's the stairs to heaven. Right here, we're gonna watch our step, and then we're gonna show you Le Crib. Boom! Nice and cozy. We got sleeping bags, lots of blankets. It's a legit setup, guys. Legit setup. There's some snow over here. It's supposed to snow during the night, tomorrow during the day. So we're gonna stay warm. Oh, and let me show you my favorite part. It has a shoe bag. So our dirty shoes don't go in the house. They stay right here in this fancy shoe bag that comes with the rooftop tent. Boom. And that is the tour, guys.
That's the whole tour?
That's the whole tour. Boom. What's up, guys? Here we are in the tent.
Yo.
We're setting up. We got the lights. We got the pillows. We got the setup. We got the sleeping bags. Lots and lots and lots of blankets to go on top of us. Stay warm. It has been real, guys. It's been cold, but worth it.
No, it's been fake, guys.
It's been totally worth it. Like, I love it.
It's been awesome.
It's been awesome. We needed this.
Oh yeah.
We really needed this. Some time with nature, some time
With each other.
With the boys. We kept the fire going, stoked, and then we put a separate tent and then the kennel inside the tent. And then we put the dogs like right there, not too close so the Ambers wouldn't get to the tent, but like close enough for them to keep warm. And we got them like jackets and coats so they would stay warm, and we put blankets in their tents so they should be really warm. We'll check up on them at midnight, see what's up with them. But I can't wait for breakfast, guys. Like, I'm already hungry. So I hope you guys stay tuned and then like check us out for breakfast time, because it's gonna be bomb as F.
As F, yo.
As F. All right, guys, have a good night. Good morning, guys. Here we woke up. Let's check out outside. Here's a voice, so eager. They didn't sleep in there. They slept in the kennel at first, and then my husband had to get up at midnight and put them in the truck with blankets because we were cold, so we said they're cold. It was a really pretty cold night. We stayed pretty warm overall, but it was really cold. So now let's get ready for this breakfast and this fire that Hubby is preparing. Let's go.
All the switches go straight on the tent. The bacon, like, it got all jacked up.
Camden, where's the normal utensils?
I don't have tongs, I'm using this.
The other shit.
These little things in there.
Hey, that's me. You already ate your egg.
Filming it. I wasn't really gonna eat it.
No. So, what did we learn today?
That these pans suck.
These pans suck. Guys, don't buy the Walmart pans. Just don't. Just don't.
Or bring something, maybe.
Or perhaps bring butter and Pam, because somebody didn't bring it. So, but at least the eggs were all right. The bacon was okay too. So, at least we got two things going on for us.
We should probably start defrosting this thing.
Water's frozen. What up, you guys? This is the turd nugget number 1 and turd nugget number 2. That freaking bird was all morning, like early, like 4 a.m. and I was like, shut up. I was like, can I throw something to you? But I was cozy and warm, so It was just a thought in my head. But yeah.
You should have done it.
I know I should have. It's over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so annoying. Hey, stop. Hi, come here.
A lot of frost in here.
Alright guys, this is it. We're all packed up, loaded, ready to go. The husband is peeing. It has been cold, but it was totally worth it. It was really beautiful. The smell of nature, just the fire crackling. It's just, there's something about camping that regardless the weather, regardless the situation, it's just always so rewarding, so worth it. So worth it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna go head back now home. So tune in, subscribe, follow, share, like, comment, do your thing. Bye guys.